Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you hidden Wi-Fi and network features in Windows 11. So Windows 11 has several hidden and advanced Wi-Fi and network features that can enhance your connectivity, security, and productivity. So through this video, I'm going to show you how you can access and use them like a pro. First, you can view and connect to hidden Wi-Fi networks. So hidden Wi-Fi networks don't broadcast their SSID or network name, so they won't appear in the standard list of available networks. If you want to connect to one, you can just open Settings, click on Windows plus I, and then go to the Network and Internet menu on the left side panel and find the Wi-Fi options. In here, you can just scroll down until you find these Manage Known Networks. And now you can just tap on Add a new network. Click on Add Network. Here you can just enter the network name, security type, and then password. You can check the Connect automatically box if you want your device to join the network whenever it's in reach. You can just tap on Save to store the network credentials. Second one, you can use Wi-Fi Direct for peer-to-peer connection. So Wi-Fi Direct allows devices to connect directly without a router. So it's ideal for file sharing and also screen mirroring. You can just search for the Wi-Fi Direct devices first. So open Settings, Devices, in here Bluetooth and devices, and then you can just look for nearby devices that support Wi-Fi Direct. And the third one, you can enable and configure network profiles. So you can set your network as public or private to control visibility and also security. You can just again go to the network and internet settings, find Wi-Fi, and then you can click on the network, and under Wi-Fi click connected networks name, this one. And here you can change the network profile. You can select public for untrusted networks or private for trusted home or work networks. And Windows 11 also provides advanced settings for troubleshooting and customizations. If you want to access it, you can just go to the advanced network settings here under the network and internet. This one's right here. You can click on more network adapter options to open the classic network connections panel. You can enable the turn on your Windows 11 PC into a mobile hotspot, and you can share your internet connection. So what you need to do is just go to the network and the internet in here and find the mobile hotspot, so you can just turn it on to share your internet connection. So next, you can also use the network's reset feature. If you are experiencing network issues, you can just use the built-in network reset feature to fix them. So just go to the network internet settings and find the advanced network settings in here and scroll down until you find the network reset. So after the reset, you can just restart your computer to reconfigure the network adapters. Windows 11 also supports DNS over HTTPS, which encrypts your DNS queries for better privacy and security. And if you want to, you can also monitor network data usage. You can track your network usage to identify data-hungry apps. So you can just go to the network and internet in here, find the data usage options. Under the network and internet, you can just find it. You can see detailed data usage for each app in the data usage section. So that's very much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks.